Best track saws. Are you looking for the best track saws? In this video we will look at 5 of the best track saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Festool 577014 Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55 FEQF Plus FS is a premium tool designed for precise, clean cuts in woodworking and construction applications. Paired with a 55-inch guide rail, this saw offers unparalleled accuracy, versatility, and ease of use, making it a top choice for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the TS55 is its precision cutting capability. The saw delivers splinter-free cuts thanks to its advanced blade design and the included guide rail system, which ensures straight and exact cuts every time. The track saw's plunge cutting functionality allows for clean start and stop cuts, making it ideal for cutting openings, trimming doors, or creating precise panel cuts. Equipped with a powerful motor, the TS55 handles a variety of materials, from solid wood to plywood and laminated surfaces, with ease. Its adjustable speed settings allow users to tailor the saw's performance to the material at hand, ensuring optimal results. The saw's cutting depth can be finely adjusted, offering versatility for a wide range of projects. Dust collection is another highlight of this track saw. Its integrated dust extraction port connects seamlessly to Festool dust extractors, keeping the workspace clean and reducing airborne particles for better visibility and health. The saw's ergonomic design includes comfortable handles and intuitive controls, ensuring ease of use during extended periods. The 55-inch guide rail enhances the saw's functionality, providing a stable base for long, straight cuts. In summary, the Festool TS55 FEQF Plus FS track saw combines precision, power, and ease of use. With its advanced features, superior build quality, and included guide rail, it's an excellent investment for professionals or anyone seeking high-quality results in woodworking and construction tasks. Number 2. The Evolution Power Tools or 185 CCSX Plus Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit is a versatile and efficient tool designed for cutting a variety of materials, including wood, metal, plastics, and composites. This kit is equipped with a 7/1/4 blade and comes with a durable carrying bag, making it a convenient solution for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. A key feature of the R185 CCSX Plus is its ability to cut through multiple materials without requiring blade changes, thanks to its specialized TCT blade. This makes it highly efficient for projects that involve different materials. The saw also provides a clean, burr-free finish on metals, reducing the need for additional processing. The saw offers a track-compatible design, which allows for straight, accurate cuts when paired with the included or optional guide tracks. The track system ensures minimal deviation, making it ideal for precise applications like flooring, shelving, or panel work. Its adjustable bevel and depth controls enhance its versatility, enabling angled cuts and plunges up to 2.5 inches deep. With a powerful 15-amp motor, the R185 CCSX Plus delivers reliable performance and maintains consistent cutting power across materials. The built-in dust port allows connection to a vacuum system, ensuring a cleaner workspace and better visibility during operation. The saw features an ergonomic handle and lightweight design, offering comfort and control for extended use. The included carrying bag adds portability, making it easy to transport the saw and accessories between job sites. In summary, the Evolution R185 CCSX Plus Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit stands out for its ability to handle diverse materials with precision and ease. Its multifunctional design, compatibility with track systems, and thoughtful accessories make it an excellent choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 3. The Makita SP6000J161/2 Plunge Circular Saw Kit is a high-performance tool tailored for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts who demand precision and versatility. The kit includes the saw, a 55-inch guide rail, and a stackable tool case, making it a complete solution for accurate, efficient cutting tasks. A standout feature of the SP6000J1 is its plunge cutting capability, which allows users to start cuts in the middle of a workpiece. This is ideal for creating clean openings or detailed cuts. The saw pairs seamlessly with the included guide rail to deliver straight, splinter-free cuts, ensuring a polished finish on wood, plywood, MDF, and other materials. The 6/1/2 blade is powered by a robust 12-amp motor, capable of cutting through materials with ease. Its variable speed control, 2000 to 5200 RPM, ensures optimal performance across different materials, while the electronic speed control maintains consistent speed under load. The saw offers an adjustable cutting depth up to 2 3/16 inches at 90 degrees and 1 9/16 inches at 45 degrees, accommodating a range of applications. The SP6000J1 also features a bevel capability from -1 degree to 48 degrees, with positive stops at 22.5 degrees and 45 degrees, adding versatility for angled cuts. The saw's precision design minimizes tear-out, while its built-in dust port helps maintain a clean workspace when connected to a vacuum. Ergonomically designed for user comfort, the saw is lightweight and easy to handle. The stackable tool case enhances portability and organization, while the durable guide rail ensures reliable performance over time. In summary, the Makita SP6000J1 Plunge Circular Saw Kit is a powerful, precise, and versatile cutting solution. Its high-quality build, advanced features, and included accessories make it an excellent investment for those seeking professional-grade results. Number 4. The Makita XPS01 PTJ18VX2 LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless 6.1/2 Plunge Circular Saw Kit is a versatile, cordless cutting tool designed for precision and portability. Powered by Makita's 18VX2 LXT 36V system, the kit includes two 5.0Ah batteries, a 39-inch guide rail, and a durable carrying case, making it a convenient option for professional and DIY users. One of the standout features of this saw is its brushless motor, which enhances efficiency, power, and durability while extending battery life. The saw provides consistent performance with a no-load speed range of 2,500 to 6,300 RPM, allowing users to tackle a variety of materials, including wood, plywood, and laminate. Its variable speed control and electronic speed maintenance ensure smooth, accurate cuts, even under load. The plunge cutting capability is ideal for precision tasks, such as creating cutouts or clean openings. Paired with the 39-inch guide rail, the saw delivers straight, splinter-free cuts with minimal effort. The rail's compatibility with other Makita track systems adds versatility for larger projects. The saw offers a maximum cutting depth of 2 3/16 inches at 90 degrees and 1 9/16 inches at 45 degrees, with a bevel capability ranging from -1 degree to 48 degrees for angled cuts. The built-in automatic torque drive adjusts cutting speed based on load, optimizing performance and efficiency. Dust management is another highlight, with a built-in dust port that connects to a vacuum system for cleaner workspaces. The lightweight and ergonomic design ensures user comfort during extended use. In summary, the Makita XPS01 PTJ Plunge Circular Saw Kit combines cordless convenience with professional-grade performance. Its brushless motor, precise cutting capabilities, and included guide rail make it a reliable choice for anyone seeking flexibility and precision in a saw. Number 5. The Bosch GKT13-225L61/2 track saw is a precision tool designed for professionals and enthusiasts seeking clean, accurate cuts in various materials. Featuring a powerful 13-amp motor and innovative design, this saw ensures smooth and efficient performance. The kit includes a carrying case for portability and convenience. A key feature of the GKT13-225L is its plunge action capability, allowing precise depth control for making cutouts and plunge cuts in the middle of materials. This saw is optimized for straight, splinter-free cuts when paired with Bosch's guide rail system, sold separately, making it ideal for cabinetry, flooring, and trim work. Its ability to cut at an exact angle or depth enhances its versatility across different projects. The saw's variable speed control, 3,600 to 6,250 RPM, ensures compatibility with various materials such as wood, laminate, MDF, and metal. The precision is further enhanced by its constant electronics feature, which maintains consistent speed under load for smooth results. The cutting depth ranges from 2 1/4 inches at 90 degrees to 1 5/8 inches at 45 degrees, with a bevel capacity of -1 degree to 47 degrees for angled cuts. Another highlight is the dust extraction system, designed to minimize debris for cleaner workspaces and better visibility. This feature pairs with the saw's sealed blade compartment for efficient dust collection. The ergonomic design ensures user comfort and control during extended use, while its compact size enhances maneuverability in tight spaces. In summary, the Bosch GKT13-225L track saw is a reliable, high-precision tool suited for professionals and advanced DIYers. With its powerful motor, variable speed control, and plunge cutting capability, it offers excellent performance for clean, accurate cuts. The robust design and portability make it a valuable addition to any toolkit.